Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a photo slideshow in PowerPoint. No more dragging and dropping each photo individually. Let's save some time with a smarter approach. We will begin by clicking on the Insert tab. Instead of selecting pictures one by one, we are going to use a feature called Photo Album. This will speed up the process, especially if you have a lot of photos to include. Once you click Photo Album, choose New Photo Album. Then click File Disk to add your pictures. Navigate to where you have stored your photos. Having them in one folder makes this much easier. I have mine saved in Photos 001. Now you can select multiple photos by holding down Ctrl key and clicking each photo, or simply press Ctrl+A to select all at once. Then click Insert. After inserting your photos, you will see them listed in the Photo Album dialog. Here, you can easily reorder or remove photos. To reorder, select a photo and use the up and down arrows on the right to move it. If you decide a photo doesn't fit, just select it and hit remove. On the right here, we have basic editing tools if you want to rotate the photos or adjust the brightness level. Then down here, we have picture layout, which is set to fit to slide by default. This means PowerPoint will try to fit your photos to the slide as perfectly as it can, adjusting the photo to cover the entire slide space. Then there's an option for one picture where the photo won't be resized. There are also options like 2 pictures and 4 pictures with titles, which allow you to display multiple photos on a single slide. Sometimes you are able to adjust the frame shape to change how your pictures are framed within the slides. Next, we have themes. If you have a theme to apply to your slideshow, you can click on Browse, select a theme, hit Open, and it will apply that theme to your album slideshow. As I don't have any theme to apply, I will close out of this window. Then up here on the left, there's an option to apply a black and white effect to all your photos. You can simply check the box to convert all the images to black and white. Above that, there is a button labeled New Text Box. When you click on it, instead of inserting a typical picture, it inserts what they call a text box. This can be used to add captions or descriptions directly onto your slides. I will add one now so we can see how it looks once our slideshow is created. Once you're happy with how everything looks, it's time to click Create. PowerPoint will then automatically generate a new slideshow, giving us a blank slide at the beginning which we can edit. Let me quickly do that. And we can see each photo placed on its own slide according to the order and layout you have chosen. As we can see here, despite choosing Fit to Slide, our slides have black bars. This is because PowerPoint has determined that stretching these images any further would distort them. To preserve the quality, it has automatically filled the extra spaces with black bars to maintain the image's original aspect ratio. However, if you prefer, you can manually adjust the image using the handles to stretch it to fit the slide. Keep in mind, this is not always recommended as it can distort the image depending on its content and quality. And here's the text box that we inserted. I do not want to add any text or descriptions of any sort, so I will get rid of it by right-clicking on the slide and select Delete Slide. Now you might have noticed that PowerPoint has automatically applied a background to all the photos. If you are not a fan of this background color, you can easily change it. Just go to the Design tab, click on the Format Background and choose Solid Fill. Then pick the color you prefer and click Apply to All to update all your slides. Personally, I don't mind the black background, so I will leave it as is. Adding transitions between slides can also enhance your presentation. And select the effects you prefer. For a seamless slideshow, I prefer the fade or push transition for a smooth look. So I will select one. Now that your slideshow is all set up with beautiful transitions, it's time to play it. To start your slideshow, go to the Slideshow tab and click on the From Beginning or press the F5 key on your keyboard. This will start the presentation from the first slide. As your slideshow plays, you can manually advance the slides with a click or a press of the arrow keys. If you want your slideshow to run automatically, especially useful at events, you can set up automatic timing. Go back to the Transitions tab and under Advanced Slide, check the After box and set the time. For example, setting it to 2 seconds will automatically move to the next slide after 2 seconds. Remember to click Apply to All if you want this timing for every slide. And if you are hosting an event where the slideshow should loop continuously, you can set this up too. Just go to the Slideshow tab, select Set up Slideshow, and then check Loop continuously until Escape. This will keep your slideshow running until you decide to stop it by pressing the Escape key. Now that we have made a few changes, let's start the slideshow again by pressing F5 to see how everything looks. And there you go. Your automatic photo slideshow is ready to impress your audience. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions or suggestions for topics you want me to cover, please drop a comment below. I'll catch you in the next video. Take care.